Everyone, let's begin the video. So first we know about what is KNN. So we use KNN for both classification and regression tasks, and it is a supervised machine learning algorithm. And we use linear regression, means we use KNN in linear regression, or we use KNN in image classification tasks, just like if you do cancer detection or vegetable disease or many of the classification tasks and the human linear regression tasks. Now see the usage of KNN. So we use KNN for spam detection, email classification, and medical image recognition and anomaly detection. And so how KNN works? So KNN means if we have three columns and the data of one column is missing, so the result in this missing column is come by mean of the first one and second one and last one. So now let's begin the code so you can easily understand. So come to the code part. So I choose an example. So I use NumPy and simple inputer. So I write here import NumPy as np, run this shift plus enter, and from scalar dot impute import simple imputer. Now run this command, and now I fill the data. So data is equal to np dot array, fill the matrix of the data. So I use one, means if I have and I have nothing in second column. So I write np dot name and 5 in the second column. Now simultaneously, mm, just like if we have not in if we have not data in the first column, so we read np dot none, and in second column we have 6, and in next column we have 9. Close this matrix, and now we have 2 in first column, 4 in second column, and nothing in third column. So we reach np dot nine and close this. So close it and run the command. So now the task is to impute it. So imputer is equal to simple imputer. What is our strategy? We use a strategy as a mean. Run this command. Now what is the data come in imputed data? So the imputer function impute transform data. Means data means the data which we declare initialize first upon the in third column. So run this command. So now in the imputed data, now our result is come. So here is our result. You can see that we have nothing in second column, but we have 6 and 4. So here is the mean of 6 and 4. 6 and 4 mean is 5. Just like that, just like all the input or 9 is value come with mean value, just like 1 and 2, 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. And just like for that, 5 plus 9, 14, and 14 divided by 2, 7. So here is our result, and this is the basic KNN algorithm program. Just like we you use this code for the college level or interview level. So thank you.